Small for from downtown, he was shot at the blue ball forward, jersey number 5. A lane violation for the Ano. Tom jersey number 7, bako sa ganitong Munyo. Ito siya at nag-rebound for Nampas. Pahilan, nagmamadali si Pahilan, orange jersey number 25. Pixel 5, hilig siya at nag-rebound for Tongko, orange jersey number 7. Tongko na ako dahil ba Pahilan. Daano, orange jersey number 17 now. Pixel 5, hilig siya at nag-rebound for orange jersey number 10, Habagat. So orange jersey number 19, Bianco. Yes sir, Bianco, score 2. Pahilan na ako, orange jersey number 25. Pahilan na ako, baka sa ganito, Hinampas. Ay, gaya lang eh. Hinampas, Daano is the rebound, orange jersey number 17. Yes, Daano, score for 2. Sanchez, baka sa ganito number 19. Yes. Bianco, score for 2. Pahilan na ako, orange jersey number 25 to Braila. And then Daano, yes sir, Daano, score for 2. Our official score 4 against 4. It's a tie. Tongko, 15-second shot clock, orange jersey number 7. Munoz, yes sir, score for 2, Munoz. Pahilan, Daano, bako sa ganito Hinampas, bako sa ganito Pahilan, Gaila, Hinampas, Pixel 5, Ela, and a big rebound for Agawa na mula, Tongko. Kana? Bianco, bako sa ganito Habagat, orange jersey number 10. The big man in the game, Pixel 5 from downtown. Baguio for the rebound, orange jersey number 13. Baguio, Agawa na mula, to Tongko. Tongko now. To Munoz. To Bianco, I mean. Pahilan na ako, baka sa ganito Pahilan, orange jersey number 25 to Daano. Looking for an opening, also first companion, 15-second shot clock. Pahilan to Gaila, Pixel 5. Yes sir, Gaila, score for 2. Last 5 minutes, ulit pa. 6 against 8, 2 points lead for Miss Samson down. Tongko now, 15-second shot clock to Bianco. Orange jersey number 19 to Sanchez. Backward shooting for Sanchez. And a timeout call for Tago Dancers. Official score 10 against